Did you get any sense of attitudes towards Yiddish at any point in your growing up? Was it discussed?
On occasion, yeah. My father would love that I'm telling this, but because he grew up, my father's father, my paternal grandfather, he even though he was born in Pakistan, as I said before, he actually, I think, knew Yiddish more than all the others, and so my father grew up with not being not like a strict. He was Hebraist, but not. He was able to throw in Yiddish expressions. However, my mother um, grew up in a house that a father was an Arabic speaker and a mother was a German speaker, but they made a point, as it was the zeitgeist, to speak only the ideology of the time was to speak only strictly Hebrew. So sometimes when my father throws a Yiddish expression, then my mother would get angry because he can find a parallel in Hebrew and he dared to say it in English. Attitude towards Yiddish. Well, it's funny, when I started learning the language, I definitely received some attitude in Israel. Even expressing the desire, I mean, it's funny because it's been so many years and it's not all negative, but sometimes older people, I was told it was on the street, it's a language of the Golis. Sprachfunk is Safa shel Galut. How dare you study it? I remember people on the street, people in the university, even professors, educated, would sometimes say, Yiddish, what do you want Yiddish for? Other languages you can study. I heard that. Yiddish is a funny language. I heard that. Because I'm studying also Hebrew in the Hebrew literature department in Haifa. So I had to be going in a minor way. I'm not giving myself crowning myself, but in a minor way, I had to go somewhat against the grain.